Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 21st, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. And also, I do a YouTube live stream every weekday evening at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So anyways, the US dollar CAD, I mean, I still think it's more likely this is probably some sort of an ABC. I think this over here is actually the A of B on the daily. This is the B of B on the daily, and we're probably going to go up and make a C of B, which probably will go back up to these highs. And this is a pretty impulsive move down, but it is kind of looking like it could be like in a running ABC type correction right there. So I am still pretty bullish. I still think there's a pretty good likelihood that it is going to be an uptrend, probably at least not back up to these previous highs. If you go up to the daily time frame, it's actually a little easier to see what it is I'm looking at, because I still think this is a wave A. I still think this is A of B. This is a B of B, and we should continue back up for a C of B. So A, B, C of B is what I believe we are in right now. Then I think you'll most likely possibly end up continuing the downtrend. So we have A, B, C, and then up, and then down, and then probably up again. Hopefully for a wave two, like 1, 2, and then down for a wave three. So A, B, C, or B, back up for the C, and then hopefully the continuation of the downtrend is what I'm looking for. Anyways, on the shorter time frames, though, I think it needs to go up and finish that wave C of B. So I would be keeping an eye out for longs. Whether or not it goes down and grabs this liquidity, is a different story. It definitely could go down and grab that liquidity before it does end up continuing the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.